The crypto crossroads, dead end, or gold rush. Every day headlines clash. Crypto is dead, or crypto is just getting started. Some say the party's over, pointing to crashes and scams. Others, including major institutions, are doubling down, calling this the start of a revolution. So, is crypto a sinking ship or a rocket about to launch? The answer isn't black or white. The landscape in 2025 is more mature, the players are different, and the rules are changing. To know if there's still profit in crypto, we need to cut through the noise and look at what's really happening now. To truly understand the crypto market as it stands today, with all its complexities and nuances, let's rewind the clock a few years and take a look back. We need to understand where we've been to appreciate where we are now. Back in 2017, Bitcoin experienced an unprecedented surge in value. It skyrocketed from a humble $1,000 to an astonishing $20,000 in a relatively short period, capturing the attention of the world. This meteoric rise created overnight millionaires as early investors reaped the rewards of their foresight. The market was fueled by wild speculation, with many newcomers jumping on the bandwagon hoping to get rich quick. But then came the inevitable correction, the 2018 crash. Bitcoin lost over 80% of its value, plummeting from its all-time high, and many altcoins which had sprung up during the boom vanished altogether, leaving investors with nothing. Critics were quick to declare crypto dead, pronouncing its demise with certainty, but the story didn't end there. By 2020 and 2021, a resurgence began. The market was fueled in part by government stimulus measures designed to boost the economy, and also by exciting new technologies like decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The crypto market exploded once again, reaching levels that few had predicted. Bitcoin soared to new all-time highs, surpassing its previous peak, and this time, big companies started to take notice and joined the crypto movement. However, the 2022 crash served as a stark reminder to everyone that volatility is not an anomaly, but rather the fundamental nature of the crypto market. From 2022 into 2024, the market began to rebuild and find its footing once more. This recovery occurred amid significant challenges, including the collapse of major exchanges and increasing regulatory scrutiny from governments worldwide. So what's the key takeaway from all of this? Crypto operates in a continuous cycle of hype, followed by periods of despair and disillusionment. And forgetting this repeating history is the fastest way to potentially lose money in this volatile market. So what's changed in 2025? What makes this year different from all the others that came before? Why is everyone suddenly so optimistic about the future of digital assets? 3 things. First, institutional money is flowing into the space. Second, we have clear regulation. And third, real-world utility is finally emerging. Wall Street, after years of skepticism, pension funds seeking long-term growth and asset managers looking for new opportunities, are now actively participating in the crypto market thanks to the arrival of spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. Regulation is no longer a gray area, a confusing maze of uncertainty. Instead, governments have set clear rules, providing a framework for innovation and growth. This clarity is giving investors confidence, attracting more capital, and protecting consumers from fraud and scams. And finally, crypto is solving real problems, like supply chain tracking, making it more transparent and efficient. It's also enabling in-game asset ownership, empowering gamers and creators alike. And it's providing access to DeFi services for the unbanked, bringing financial inclusion to underserved communities. All of these pillars combined make the market more stable, reducing the risk of dramatic crashes and ultimately more mature than ever before. Of course, volatility remains a factor, but the foundation is significantly stronger, capable of withstanding market fluctuations. Crypto is no longer just a gamble, a speculative frenzy driven by hype. Instead, it's evolving into a strategic investment in a rapidly growing tech sector, with real-world applications and long-term potential. How are people making money in 2025? There's a spectrum. On the safe end, long-term holding of blue-chip coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, less risk, steady growth. Next, promising altcoins tied to real projects. High potential but higher risk, do your research. At the extreme, meme coins, hype-driven, risky, and closer to gambling than investing. Beyond buying and holding, there's staking for rewards, yield farming in DeFi, and trading NFTs. Each method has its own risks and requires different knowledge. The key: match your strategy to your risk tolerance and do your homework. Let's see how real people profit. Sarah, a designer, researched up-and-coming NFT artists, bought early, and sold for profit as their reputations grew. David, a software engineer, used dollar-cost averaging investing a set amount in Bitcoin and Ethereum every payday, building wealth steadily. Maria, a risk-taker, researched small-cap altcoins. One hit big, multiplying her investment, but most didn't. Tom staked his Ethereum for passive income, earning steady rewards without selling. The common thread: strategy, discipline, and understanding the risks. For every crypto success, there are countless failures. Hype and FOMO are the biggest dangers. Don't chase trends or promises of instant riches. Volatility is real. Only invest what you can afford to lose and never risk money you need for essentials. Scams and hacks are everywhere. Protect your assets with secure wallets and strong security habits. Always have a plan. Set goals, know your risk tolerance, and decide when to take profits or cut losses. Entering crypto without a plan is like sailing without a map. You might get lucky, but you'll probably get wrecked. Survival in crypto is about preparation, not luck. So, is crypto still profitable in 2025? That's the question on everyone's mind. The landscape has shifted, the rules have evolved, but the potential for profit remains a very real possibility. Yes, but only for those who treat it seriously. The days of casual participation yielding significant returns are largely behind us. Now, success demands a professional approach, a commitment to understanding the intricacies of the market. The days of easy, random gains are gone. The market has matured, and with that maturity comes increased competition and a greater need for strategic thinking. Now it's about strategy, a well-defined plan that outlines your goals, risk tolerance, and investment approach. Research, thorough and ongoing. Staying informed about market trends, technological advancements, and regulatory changes is absolutely crucial, and discipline. Emotional trading can be a recipe for disaster. Sticking to your plan, even when the market is volatile, is essential for long-term success. Profits go to those who understand the tech, who can decipher the underlying technology that drives the crypto ecosystem. Manage risk, implementing strategies to protect your capital and minimize potential losses. And invest for the long term. Patience is a virtue in the crypto market. Avoid chasing short-term gains and focus on building a portfolio that can withstand market fluctuations. The new market, with institutional backing and regulation, offers more tools and safer opportunities for informed investors. Whether you're holding blue chips, staking, or researching new projects, diligence is everything. Your success depends on your knowledge and your plan. Keep learning, stay skeptical, and focus on value, not hype. The gold rush has changed, but for those who know how to mine, there's still gold to be found. The opportunities are there for those who are prepared to seek them out with intelligence and foresight.